Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to we'll discuss about the Honor 9X device, whether it's gonna launch with the Kirin 810 processor or the 710F processor. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and tips and tricks. So you can find only on Honor 9X device I uploaded 63 videos. You can check the links in description for the playlist of Honor 9X device. So right now I'm holding the Honor 9X. This is a Chinese version which came with a Kirin 810 processor. So recently in the Flipkart, if you notice, you can see the launching of the Honor 9X device in the January. So now let's confirm which processor will the Honor 9X will be having. So according to my knowledge and browsing to the internet, I found one thing is that so the European model which got launched, the Honor 9X and 9X Pro, as the Kirin 710F processor. So the reason is that the Kirin 710F has the Google certification. So if the Huawei is launching the mobile outside the China, that needs the Google certification to support the Google applications. So that's why they launched the Honor 9X in the European area with the Kirin 710F processor, which has the Google certification. So that's why the processor is supported with the Google apps. But the Kirin 810 processor, which got only launched inside the China, doesn't have any Google support. So it doesn't need the Google support, the Kirin 810 processor. So I will leave the link in the description about everything, whatever I explained in this video, so you can understand clearly. So if you take a closer look here, so now you can see before May 2019 they got a certification for the Kirin 710F processor. So before the Trump ban on the Huawei devices. So after that the Kirin 810 got launched. So that's why we are not seeing the Kirin 810 processor installed in the smartphones outside the China. So they are only shipping inside the Chinese version, that's it, not around the global variants. So you cannot find the Kirin 810 processor. This is the reason. So I will leave the link in the description and you can go through the link, everything. So if you want the Google application, then you need to have the Kirin 710F processor. So if you don't want to have the Google support, then you can choose the Chinese variant, which is the Kirin 810 variant, which is a very good performance and very good benchmark scores. So even I did a side-by-side comparison with the Kirin 810 versus the Kirin 710 processor on the Huawei Y9 Prime 710F processor. So you can understand clearly how much it makes a difference having the Kirin 810 processor in the Honor 9X device. So definitely guys, you can take a look at the link and you can go to the link what it explains everything. So after going through my research, I came into conclusion that the Honor 9X, the model which is going to launch in India, will be having the Kirin 710F processor. So this will be out of 100%, 99% this is gonna happen. So 710F processor will be launching in the Honor 9X device. So if that is the case, then I will do a separate video on that, whether to buy the Honor 9X device or choose the other phone. So because there's a huge difference in terms of the performance, so definitely take a look at the video comparing the AnTuTu benchmark scores between the 810 versus the 710F. You will get a clear idea about that. So finally guys, this is the overall conclusion and final update on the Honor 9X device, where a lot of viewers are waiting and asking me which processor this will launch and when it's gonna launch. So this will be launching in the Flipkart in the January with a Kirin 710F processor. So for more updates, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description if you want to know more in detail about the Honor 9X device. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.